Cool Tech for You, Part 1. Do you have a boring, old calculator and want to change? Well, this is NEWYES and their scientific calculator rewriter. When opening the very nice packaging you get the user manual to inform you on how to use the function keys, and of course the calculator itself. This calculator features a 6.5-inch LCD screen and a very unique folding design for maximum portability. The screen to the right of the calculator itself can be used to write numbers or formulas down so you are not wasting any paper. And do not forget them, it can even be used to doodle on. Now you may be wondering, how do I write on it? Well, just down the side of the calculator there is a slot for a pen designed to write on the screen, and it pops out like so. Overall, this product is definitely worth picking up, and is a much better alternative to a boring, old calculator, as it only comes in at £25. Thank you to @NEWYES for sending this out, and make sure to go check it out in my Linktree.